Oh, we got a glue dot. Those are the weight. You can either fill them with water or sand and use them to keep the circular backdrop frame in place. This is the base, and I really love the finish. I like that the ends are covered, so it is not seen as a hazard. That was one of the reasons why I chose this particular frame. Those are the 2 screws. Let me tell you a little bit about this circular frame backdrop stand. Personally, I like it. It is very much lightweight, so if you're looking for something that is heavy duty, then this may not be the best option for you. But it is very lightweight, as I said before, easy to carry around. I like the snap mechanism that it has, makes it really easy for one person to set up. I really like the finish, the golden finish, and I can adjust the angle at which the circular frame stands. I can adjust it. I can use a screw to elevate the frame or to bring it lower, so I can either choose to bring it up or bring it down. Here is a picture of exactly what I want to say. I bought this circular frame on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link in the description down below for you. As I said before, this frame is the circular frame is very lightweight. It weighs 8 pounds, and I realized that when I was working with it, the frame was moving around, so I had to use the weight. I had to use weight to keep the frame in place. I like it. I like the finish. It gets the job done. Once the weight is on it, then I am good to go, and I love that I can just pull it apart and carry it around. Easy to set up, easy to pull down. I absolutely love it.